Welcome back to Auto Reviews, your ultimate stop for the latest bike and car reviews. Today, we're diving into the exciting 2025 Honda X-ADV 750, a machine that blends the practicality of a scooter with the rugged spirit of an adventure bike. If you've ever wanted a ride that's equally at home in the city and on the trail, stick around, this one's for you. Design and styling. The 2025 Honda X-ADV 750 comes with a refreshed, aggressive look. Its sharp LED headlights, muscular body lines, and tall stance give it a bold adventure-ready vibe. The windscreen is now adjustable, offering better wind protection for long rides, while the new color options add a modern, premium touch. Engine and performance. At the heart of the X-ADV is a 745 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, delivering smooth yet punchy performance. The engine produces around 58 horsepower and is paired with Honda's dual-clutch transmission, DCT, for effortless automatic or manual shifting. Whether you're cruising through traffic or tackling hilly terrain, the bike feels responsive and capable. Ride and comfort. The long travel suspension and upright riding position make the X-ADV perfect for comfort on both city commutes and off-road adventures. The seat height is set to balance visibility and control, while the under-seat storage provides room for a helmet or gear, something you won't find in most adventure bikes. Technology and features. Honda packs the X-ADV with features like a full-color TFT display, smartphone connectivity, multiple riding modes, and traction control. The keyless ignition adds convenience, and the bike's smart ABS ensures safety in all road conditions. Fuel efficiency and practicality. For a 750 cubic centimeters adventure scooter, the X-ADV is surprisingly efficient, offering around 28 to 30 km/L under mixed riding conditions. Combined with its 13.2-liter fuel tank, it's ready for long weekend trips without frequent fuel stops. Price and verdict. The 2025 Honda X-ADV 750 sits in a unique category, part scooter, part adventure motorcycle. With a competitive price point for its class, it's ideal for riders who want versatility, comfort, and style in one package. If you need a bike that can do it all, this is worth serious consideration. Outro. That's all for today's review of the 2025 Honda X-ADV 750. What do you think, game changer or just another niche bike? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Reviews for more in-depth vehicle reviews every week.